Welcome viewers on my channel Future Digital Point. In this lesson part 12 Windows operating system, how to make folder and getting started MS Word, I will tell you. Thank you. Operating systems, as for example Microsoft Windows. The operating system works as a intermediary between hardware, software and user. Operating system are programs that run applications. As for example, Microsoft Windows is an example of operating system. Step 1. When you switch on computer, monitor will show opening screen of Windows. The opening screen of Windows consists of background picture, means a wallpaper, icon. Windows icons represents such as programs and folders. The Windows desktop contains a range of desktop icons, and from bottom of the left side there is a start button. The start button that displayed at the left end of the taskbar in Windows, and you can click the start button for displaying any program you want. And from launcher you find some programs also if you want to click on it. In the middle you see taskbar. A taskbar will show which programs are currently running, located along one edge of the screen. And extreme right side there is a time button. Click time button to change the date and time. Step 2. Create a folder in Windows 7. Right click by mouse on desktop screen and select new and then click folder. Step 3. Now type name of folder. Step 4. Click start button, then click Microsoft Office button, and now click MS Word or click in MS Word directly. Step 5. MS Word is a word processor used for creating documents and so on. Now you see MS Word is going to open gradually. Step 6. Title bar. A horizontal bar at the top of an document and displaying the name of the document and application. At the right end of the title bar, it is the minimize, restore and close buttons. Menu bar to identify the group of commands you desire to browse. Options available in the formatting toolbar. Change the font, change the size of the font, change the font color, make the text bold, italics and so on. The horizontal ruler above the document shows the length of the typing line and lets you quickly adjust left and right margins and indents, set tabs and change column width. The vertical ruler along the left edge of the document lets you adjust top and bottom margins and change table row heights. A vertical or horizontal bar commonly located on the far right or bottom of a window that allows you to move the window viewing area by up, down, left or right. Step 7. Now you can click close button for exit from MS Word. Step 8. Press Alt F4 or select shutdown from shutdown Windows screen.